Yes, you've heard it right, it's time for a cooking video on Taste from Home. Wow, I truly feel like it's been forever since my last cooking video, but today I will make it up to you with a really delicious dish, Tenshindon or Japanese style omelette with vegetables. You may notice this one in my previous video in which I took myself on a solo date, enjoy some food, wander around and just talk to you about my thoughts and my feelings at 25 years old. Long story short, I was really impressed by this dish and decided to remake it at home with just a few simple ingredients, but this is such a comfort dish. Flavorful omelette over a bed of rice with a hot, salty and sweet sauce. Okay, I think we'll need to go to the kitchen right now before I start drooling over here. For 2 servings, first one we'll soak 3 ShtsT mushrooms and 1 good mushrooms in hot water until softened. Rinse the mushrooms nicely and slice them into thin strips. The ShtsT mushrooms will add so much flavor to our omelette, while the good mushroom adds a little more crunch and texture. For more colors, I will use a quarter of medium carrots. Once again, slice them into thin strips. Separate the white ends of green onions. We'll simply chop the green parts, and for the white ends, keep them nice and thin. One fun fact about me is that I used to hate green onions so much, even in soup or even in any dish. But right now, I think I'm getting used to it, and it adds a really nice color to every dish. When every ingredient is ready, it's time to make our omelette. For each serving, we'll crack in a bowl 2 large eggs, and following by half the amount of the ingredients that we have prepared together: the good mushrooms, the ShtsT mushrooms, the carrots, and the green onions. Add a tiny pinch of salt and just a little bit of black pepper to bring up even more the flavors. I always love adding half a teaspoon of sesame oil into the mix, and now all we have to do is whisking the eggs together with all the ingredients. As you can see, our omelette is really colorful with all the vibrant colors coming from different ingredients. Now, heat a pan over medium-high heat, put in about 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and gently pour our egg mixture into the pan. Using a pair of chopsticks, a spoon or a fork, spread the toppings evenly on the surface of the omelette. Once the top of the omelette begins to settle a little bit, flip it and cook it for another minute, then turn the heat and our omelette is ready to serve. Another important element that brings the dish together is our salty and sweet sauce. We'll need 200 ml chicken stock, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup or sugar. Bring the sauce to a boil, then reduce the heat. Gently pour in 2 tablespoons of water mixed with tapioca starch to thicken the sauce. To serve, nothing can beat a nice bed of steamed white rice. We'll top it with the omelette, then generously pour over our steamy hot sauce. And don't forget to sprinkle your dish with some chopped green onions, and voila, our Tenshindon is ready in less than 30 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I did filming it. Please give this dish a try in your home kitchen and let me know in the comment section below how you love it, or even better, send me some photos of your recreation. Good luck and bon appétit. Until next time, bye bye!